Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. In this video, me, Hanania, and my other group members, Risa and Umairah, going to explain about 4 things, which are the rotational direction of the planets, hypothetical situation related to the solar system, natural satellite, and last but not least, the condition of the Earth from the Moon. But before that, let's watch this video first about the rotational direction of the planets. Enjoy!
The sky is so clear tonight. It's perfect for stargazing, Alex says. Let's hope we can spot some planets, too. How does one locate a planet, asks Michael. Unlike stars, planets appear to shift daily in their relative positions in the sky, says Alex. As they orbit the sun, the planets also rotate on their axes. I think I've located Venus, says Michael. It's the only planet that rotates from east to west. All the planets orbit the sun from west to east, each planet rotating on its own axis. Mercury, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, and Neptune rotate from west to east. The axis of Venus is tilted at 177 degrees to its plane of orbit. Therefore, it rotates from east to west. Uranus rotates on its side, as its axis is tilted 98 degrees to its plane of orbit.
Yes, as we can see from the video, all planets in the solar system thus rotate on their axes at different angles. These planets rotate from west to east except Venus, which rotates from east to west, and Uranus, which rotates on its side. This picture shows the rotational direction of the planets. So, why does Venus and Uranus have different rotational direction as compared to the other planets? Well, according to the astronomers' calculation, these two planets have different direction of rotation from the other planets as the result of hitting against huge asteroids. Now, let's focus at the hypothetical situation related to the solar system. So, what happens if the rotation of the Earth slows down or stops completely? First, we might have longer day and night duration in two different parts of the Earth, which means the part of the Earth that faces the Sun will have longer day duration that causes the temperature of that part to increase, while the other part of the Earth that doesn't faces the Sun will have longer night duration and causes the temperature to decrease as there is no source of heat. Second, there will be more desert areas in the part of the Earth that faces the Sun. The part of the Earth that faces the Sun will have more desert areas because the temperature is high.
Third, the temperature will drop in areas of the Earth that do not receive sunlight. The part of the Earth that does not faces the Sun will not receive the source of heat and causes the temperature in the area to decrease. Finally, there will be change in high and low tides. The ocean will gradually migrate toward the poles, cause land in the equatorial region to emerge and eventually result in a huge equatorial megacontinent and two large polar oceans. Then, I will talk about nature satellites. Nature satellites are smaller objects that move around planets or larger objects on their own orbit. Moon is the only nature satellite of the Earth. By the way, Earth is the nature satellite of the Sun because Earth moves around the Sun. For your information, Saturn is a planet that has the most number of nature satellites, while Mercury and Venus are planets that do not have any natural satellites.
Next, the condition and appearance of the Earth from the Moon. Moon rotates on its own axis. Moon also moves around the Earth on its orbit. The duration taken for Moon to rotate on its axis and orbit the Earth is 27 days. Since the face of the Moon would be facing the Earth all the times. Besides that, Moon is 4 times smaller than the Earth. Next, the Earth will have face like the Moon, would be crescent shaped, half a circle or a full circle. When we see the Moon as nearly full, any people on the Moon would see a slim crescent Earth. It is because one side of the Moon always faces us. From most places on the Moon, Earth doesn't appear to rise or set. Instead, from a given point on the Moon's near side, you will always see Earth hanging in your sky. If we seen from the Moon, the Earth's movement would seem too slow. It would take 27 days to view all the phase of its movement.
That's all from us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our video. Joking. Hope you enjoy and understand what we have explained just now. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye!